In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add bullet points in Google Docs. So let's start. Uh, First way how you can add them is simply you want to hover your mouse on this menu and you have a couple of options. You can create a bulleted list menu, which is with those maybe circles or squares, or you can also create this one numbered one. So this can be useful for maybe some answers with the questions. So if I select it, I can type my question and after that I can press enter, then tab on my keyboard to create like answers. So this is going to be A is going to be maybe 3 and D 2. So this is how you can create this numbered list. You can also use this shortcut. So on Mac it's Command Shift plus 7. If you're on Windows it's going to be Control plus Shift. But I'm gonna create this other one which is with those points. Here I'm gonna type my country. Under that I want to press enter, then tab to create sub bullet point. And here I will type main city. Now if I press again enter, it's going to again create this sub bullet point. If you want to create another main point, you just have to press enter again, so 2 times. And then you can type another country. Now if you want to customize this, you can also select different styles over here, or you can do spacing or some alignment. So if you click on this center align, it's going to center it to align, but you have to select it whole because instead it's going to align only one part of it. Or you can do this custom spacing. So if you want to have larger spaces between the points, you can do that here. So I'm going to click on custom spacing. I can type 2 and it should be larger. So this is it. Now I'm going to show you also one tip. If you like to have bullet points in more columns, so not only like one column, we can do that by creating this table. So I'm going to go to insert table. You can select 2 or 3 or how many you want columns. And here I'm going to basically Control C. I'm going to copy the bullet points in the first one. In the second one, I can do those other ones. And now we can select the whole table. I'm gonna click on this border color. I'm gonna change it to white, so it's going to be like invisible, and you have basically 2 columns, so you can add another bullet points over here. And this is going to be all for this video, how you can add bullet points in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.